I don't say him won't style me. Because him talk already, so he don't like me. Me and him are not friend, me and him no reason like that.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is your very first time to the channel and you've not hit that subscribe button yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once you upload a video, you will get that alert. So people, from the clip we showed earlier, Dan Mafia came out to clear the air about a little alleged beef we are going between him and Bugle. Well, Dan Mafia making people know, say, yo, there is no beef going on between me and Bugle. It's just that Bugle post something, you know, a little clip of Bounty Killer disrespecting me at Fully Loaded couple of years back, and me and Bounty Killer done squash that out. You see what I say? Now, him also explained that him and Bugle not really that good, them to see eye to eye, but him not have nothing against no man. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to show you the clip of Bounty Killer styling Dan Mafia a couple of years back, and then we're going to show you what Dan Mafia have to say. See it?
When a little dumpy they come up, you come do a while. Sean is an upcoming artist. He's a good artist. He's better than Blood Clot Gringo. Gringo never sing a good song. Me like how you take it in our hand. I saw you for treat them. When them come and make wrong move, this we see quick. Nice. Nice. You know why me come up here? A long time here saying making counteraction. Let me tell you, him have one for Bulls of Chicago, one for Lexus, and one for Baby Sham. Oh, the pussy will come call Baby Sham name and I call my name. Ah! Yeah, but it's an easy way. War with warlord, me and the lord of the warriors to the road clan. So if you want to war, you have to start yourself. I never come to war.
Now peeps, for all who never know, Gringo was Dan Mafia original name, right? So when you hear Bounty Killer referring to Gringo up on stage, a Dan Mafia him attack. Now the next clip me I go show on the people was where Dan Mafia or Gringo at the time was walking up to Bounty Killer while Bounty Killer there on the stage attack, and people, the way how Killer run the man off of the stage, all levels of disrespect. Watch this.
I never come to war. Blood clot. Hey, we take him out the killing pussy clot.
As me say, that was the clip where Bugle posted to his Instagram platform and persons quick for running and say, yo, Bugle and Dan Mafia have a beef going on. Now Bugle don't seem like the kind of artist who really pick beef with people still, but who am I to, assume? But what we are going to do right now, Dan Mafia, aka Gringo, spoke up and make people understand there is actually no beef or feud between me and Bugle, although we not see eye to eye. But take a listen to what Dan Mafia have to say.
Dan Mafia here speaking, you know, say no. All the world link me and I ask me where me and Bugle have. Me and Bugle don't have nothing. You understand? The man post a video on him Instagram with Bounty Killer disrespect me and Fully Loaded. You don't know so them things they are still new. You see me? Everybody know that about me. I mean the name Gringo and everybody know me thing. You see me? Where boy, we been through the fire, you see me? And Bounty Killer reason out the thing and the man tell me say, yo, I nah this you. And you know for this me, how far where I come from. I remember everything when he said to me, true. I know say true. Nah, this is the general post out and my song on him Instagram. Big up me thing. This him, I tell him, I'm done with that car. I'm a big man right now, we live past certain things, brethren. You see me and say, I don't have up no man in the music or nothing. If I think even go on, I have to talk about just the history. So, enough man I say, Bugle style me. I don't say he won't style me, because him talk already, so he don't like me. Me and him are not friend, me and him no reason like that. Because one day me get some money for him from a sound man and my producer friend, me and him go link him up, and when we give him the food and me gone, he might go tell him and say, yo, when you link me, no carry them pussy them round me because them boy them make beat them and fuck me girl. You see me? Nothing like that. Rain said we used to come at the studio and hang out with me and said she love music and read them time. I never did know her, man. When you say he's an artist, she do it. I didn't know nothing about him or nothing. You see me, because Bugle never bust them time there. No? And I never look her because I say, yo, and it's a DJ woman. I go really cross the line because I do them things there, brother. Because I build strife and try to make trouble. Anything you hear me talk about lyrical thing or what, you know, some music go. More time we are artists, we catch up in the music. Or for something to do with the music and we talk about the thing. We have to talk the truth, make your fans them know what going on, because we don't hide nothing. You see me? And we don't sugarcoat nothing to make a man look good or what. So you know. That man when I see the day when he come in my car and he see me, he don't heal me. You see me? And me the day I wonder and say, what go on? See? And then next time I dip on a flight and I see him again and I heal him and him don't answer me. You see me? I believe it was before that too. So when I say to you, when I heal a man and he don't answer me, I heal him again, brethren. Because I don't love man. I don't look like him from man. You see me? So my younger years say, yo, it's a pum feelings. The man I carry, which in way that not hurt it because nothing like that never happened. You understand? Now me there I do my music. I sing my conscious song them. Or what, I not look no trouble with nobody, brother. I no man in no beef. I not run no butcher shop. You see me? And I like afraid of boy. I was afraid for this boy in the lyrics. But you see right now, man a big man, brethren, and man have to try. To set example and try to make the thing look good too, because dancehall is bigger than problem and quarreling every day. So I do my song them, build back Jamaica, still I live and the whole of the conscious tune them. And I keep my thing real and I do real music. Enough of them now give me no knowings because in their mind them don't have it say, yo, me not gonna make it a whole heap of thing me doing in music. More than enough boy, you see me? And we there in this long time before enough of them. So no boy can style me and no boy can diss me. Any man diss me, I go diss them, you see me? So right now, me not diss no man still. Because if a man want to post a video with Bunty or diss me, that is not disrespect, that is just a part of history. And every man posts every day they are nothing new. 99 fully loaded. When Gringo step on and take his show, and Bunty see hype and walk on the night and area and a bag of thing. Everybody know that go. Me and Bunty killer good right now. And me and Sham been good. You see me? So I go chat a lyrics about Baby Sham. That never means I have him up or me hate him or nothing. Because if you watch my part of the clip, I make sure big him up first before me DJ the lyrics. That's so lyrics go, brother. I don't know what I'm to some artists like if you talk a lyrics at this are a personal thing. No lyrics we chat, brother. When I chat lyrics about people, man, and some know dance, I'll go. The man you know what they even talk one lyrics, a man want to go for gunman and something. That's not right in the music. I don't think they mash up dance hall. I make it think I get boring. I make people I feel like saying nah go on with nothing because I pay badness and bend up face thing. Yo, you hear me and music me I do. Happy me. I don't man in no beef, me not run no meat shop, you see me? So I don't want nobody call me and ask me about no biograph. Me no in that, me done with that as I make that video to explain. Say yo, I know nothing. A man want to post a video with a man have diss me, I don't care. That can't style me no shame. And me pass, me no shame and music. Music, me love. Big up on yourself, my people. Positivity over negativity. Life over death. Good over evil. God over devil. When me say, Dan Mafia is here to stay. No boy can't get me down. You see me?
Well, viewers, there you have it. Dan Mafia has spoken. And me like how the man say, yo, him man killer squash out that little beef there, or that little thing there, that little disrespect there, and him now nothing against the general. Yes, what I say, the general post him on him page and everything good between the two. Now, no one knows what Bugle mindset was when he reposted that clip to his Instagram page, but who knows? People chat to me down in the comment section, make me know what you think about all of this. Until then, yo, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable TV. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable. Them only can talk, them not know when me feel. And many nights me gone me bed without meal. How you feel? A Father God was my shield. And me thank you, Jah, me never kill or steal. Now have nothing and still them a fight me down. Them who don't mind me, they 6 foot underground. And all road a lead for me take up the gun. But me happy pre back and mess from me son. But me a bullet keep moving on. You You know say the road still have to take on. Man, I face hardship from the day me born, but me father tell me son keep me calm. Out the road it no nice at all. Every day another innocent youth a fall. Me woulda want to tour and buy out the mall, but before you walk you have to learn to crawl.